It's recording, yeah? You all suck. You didn't get any air then, Reese.
I know I can't.
Go right to the back then, I'll get some speed up. Shut up, Jack, that's old. Midget. Don't bother you. Go! Yeah, man. Whoa, you nearly went off then. Go in. Ginger Minge. Yeah, man.
Oh yeah.
Is it good?
What? No, you don't get enough speed. Go right from the back.
Me?
Yeah.
And don't tuck it. When you tuck it, you don't get distance.
So?
Oh, do you edit it all and stuff?
No.
No.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was it, that.
Keep on going.
Right, and again, and again, and again,
And again.
I've got to be the best cameraman, me. Right, just following him like that, going dead slow so it catches him.
Oh, fucking knee.
Sit down then. Yawn. Right from the back, Cam. Go right from the back.
Your fucking knee's wrecking.
Jacob. What a stupid name.
Callum gets well high.
Yeah, I know. So does the other guy on the white bike next with the hat on. Oh, I missed you.
And again.
Oh, go right.
Again.
Oh, right. No, I'll pause that.